If you're searching for a topic to do research on, probably the best choice in our library databases collection is SIRS Knowledge Source. From our library homepage, if you click on SIRS Knowledge Source, you'll see a number of different places to go. You can either go directly and do a search, but if you're really browsing for a topic, the best approach would be to click on ProQuest SIRS Issues Researcher right here in red. When you click there, what happens is you'll see a series of topics, and it's a long, exhaustive alphabetical list, which is not necessarily the best approach, but you could certainly browse that way. Also notice over here where it says your top 10 pro versus con leading issues. These are the most frequently studied topics in K-12 education right now. However, my favorite way to look and browse at topics to try to get to a possible example thesis statement would be to either go to Visual Browse or to Groups. I'll show you what Visual Browse looks like first. With Visual Browse, if you're a visual learner, it's not a bad way to approach things. You can say, oh, I'm interested in society and politics or environment and science. I'll click there. And let's just say within environment, I'm going to say look at alternative energy sources. And we'll look at renewable energy. When you jump to a major topic, you'll see essential questions posted right here. And in this example, the question is, should renewable energy sources replace fossil fuels? There is a yes perspective and a no perspective reflected in the articles below. So if you want, for example, to make the claim renewable energy sources should replace fossil fuels because they are plentiful and environmentally friendly, you can click on one of these three articles as a starting place to try to get that viewpoint. You also probably want to look at the other perspective too, or if you want to choose that as your thesis, that renewable energy sources are not cost effective and are unreliable compared to fossil fuels, certainly you can click there. Notice over on the left-hand side are these research tools. There's a topic overview, a timeline, statistics. So these are all great ways to sort of get a handle on the topic in general. Then if I click on an article, and I'll choose this one as the yes example, you'll see the article appears here. Up at the very top, you have a choice of emailing the article to yourself or clicking here for a citation. Also, if you are interested in finding similar articles to this article, you can select all of the subject headings that you think are relevant to you, and then click on Find Similar, and other articles will appear. So this is a great tool. Again, I'll take you through how we got there. We started off at the high school library homepage. We went to SIRS Knowledge Source. We clicked on SIRS Issues Researcher. And then we looked at Visual Browse. We could also go to Groups. And Groups is a different way of doing the same thing. Breaks all topics down into subtopics. So, for example, if we're looking at terrorism, domestic terrorism, here are essential questions and and then two thesis statements. And that's about it.